If your tablet or phone won't boot properly, or performing extremely slowly and apps start acting up, it may be time for action. In order to hard reset your device, the steps given below must be followed. Ensure that it is powered off. Press the power and the volume up button together till the device displays the startup logo. Depending on the brand, the combination of keys may be different. Once the logo is displayed, release the buttons and wait till enters the Android system recovery mode. Backing up your data to a hard drive or SD card will ensure you don't lose anything during the reset. Backed up data can be restored to your tablet after it is reset. On the displayed screen, use volume down button to go to the wipe data, factory reset option. Once the option is highlighted, press the power button to select the option. On the next screen, press the volume down button multiple times, till the Yes Delete All User Data option is highlighted. Press the power button to hard reset the tablet device, which will also clear the cache.